Decoding the Sound, Snoring. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a very common, yet intriguing phenomenon that everyone has probably heard at some point or another: snoring. Whether you've heard it from a family member, a friend, or even from yourself, today we'll uncover what it really means. Snoring is the sound produced when the flow of air through the mouth and nose during sleep is partially blocked. This sound can be soft, loud, or somewhere in between. The sound is created by vibrations in the throat, usually because of a narrowing or obstruction in the airway. People snore for various reasons. Some of the most common causes include: 1. Sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause the tongue to fall backward, narrowing the airway and causing snoring. 2. Nasal problems. Blocked nasal passages, due to a cold or allergies, can lead to snoring. 3. Obesity. Excess fat around the neck can put pressure on the airway, causing it to narrow. 4. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol relaxes the muscles of the throat, which can increase the chances of snoring. 5. Sleep deprivation. Not getting enough sleep can lead to a floppier throat muscle, making snoring more likely. While snoring can be harmless for many, it can also be a sign of a more serious condition called sleep apnea. In sleep apnea, the snoring is frequently interrupted by periods where the individual stops breathing. This can lead to a host of health problems, including daytime fatigue, high blood pressure, and heart issues. If someone's snoring is loud and they're tired even after a full night's sleep, it might be a good idea for them to consult a doctor. However, for many, snoring is simply a minor annoyance. It might disturb a partner's sleep or cause mild embarrassment during a group trip. But it's a natural, common occurrence. We hope this video gave you a clearer understanding of what snoring is, why it happens, and when it might be a cause for concern. Remember, whether you snore or know someone who does, it's just a part of the vast tapestry of human behaviors. Sleep well, and until next time, keep learning.